So I wanted to do a quick video comparing the audio quality of the GoPro Hero 10's internal mic versus the Media Mod mic versus my go-to mic, the Rode Wireless Go 2. Just realised it's called the Go 2, my go-to mic. Awesome. Let's do it. Okay, so this is the GoPro Hero 10 without the Media Mod, using just the internal mics. There isn't a lot of wind out today, so let's see what the audio from this sounds like. So this is the GoPro Hero 10 with the Media Mod attached, and the wind's picked up a little bit now, so this should be a good test of this mic. And this is the GoPro Hero 10 with the Media Mod with the Rode Wireless Go 2 fitted. So the audio you're hearing now is from the Rode Wireless Go 2. Okay, that's it. Which one do you think was best? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.